Example E, a little bit different. We have two variables. Okay, we still don't have any fractions, still no parentheses, still no like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. Okay, so we're to step 4, move all the variable terms to one side. Well, I'm just going to, from here on out, kind of get into the habit of moving those variables to the left. So I already have a 3x here. If I want to move 2x to the same side, it's a positive here. When I move it across, it will be negative. So a negative 2x is equal to 4. Okay, remember I brought this 2x over, so now only the 4 is here. So what is 3x minus 2x? 1x, and remember you don't have to write the 1, is equal to 4. And so because we have an understood 1 as the coefficient, then 4 would be my solution. Okay, I'm going to check this one since we haven't done one exactly like this. 3x is equal to 2x plus 4. You would plug in the 4 everywhere you have an x. So 3 times 4 equals 2 times 4 plus 4. And you just want to make sure that both sides of these are equal. So 3 times 4 would be 12. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Okay, so we get a true statement. That lets me know that my solution is correct. Okay, if we look at F, 4x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 6. Okay, we have a variable on both sides of the equation, and we have a number on both sides. Okay, but again, follow that same rule. We're starting out right at step 4 again. I want to keep my variables on the left, so I already have a 4x. I'm going to be moving the 3x over to the left. So if it's a positive 3x, when I move it over, it's going to be negative 3x equals. We already had a 6. I want this number, negative 4, to be brought over. Okay, but again, what happens when I move this across? If I move the negative 4 over, it's going to be a positive 4. Okay, change the sign of anything that you bring across the equal sign. So now, if I simplify, what is 4x minus 3x? 1x is equal to 10. Again, we do not have a number in front of x other than 1, so this is my solution. Okay, let's go ahead and look at G. 5 times n minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 4n. Okay, so finally one where we're going to start out, with one of the other steps that I gave you. Still no fractions, but number 2, remember, said clear parentheses. So before I can worry about moving anything across, I'm going to clear parentheses by distributing this 5. So 5 times n would give me 5n. 5 times negative 2, remember your signs, would be negative 10. And then I bring down the rest of the problem. None of that has changed. So now this problem looks just like what I had up here at F. I've got a variable on both sides, number on both sides. So I want to move all the variables to the left. I already have a 5n. What's going to happen when I bring the 4n over? To bring it over, I have to subtract it, so it would be negative 4n. We already have an 8. It stays the same. Move the 10 over, so it's going to be positive 10. So 5n minus 4n, 1n, we don't have to write the 1, equals 18. And so then 18 would be my solution.